Hi, I'm Rob from SkeerSolutions.com and I'm here with the Pro Plus grading attachment from Skeer Systems. I'm going to go through some of the product specifications and details with you, and then we'll jump right into a demo and show you how it works. With 60 degrees of vertical and horizontal pivot, as well as a floating base, the Pro Plus brings a whole new level of efficiency to any project you may have. This attachment is perfect for equipment operators doing general landscaping, paving and concrete prep, as well as any other type of project where you need a level surface. Skeer designed this device to have a full floating base that's adjustable, allowing you to set up and maintain perfect grade level all the time. This grader is all you need to push large amounts of substrate, including dirt, sand, gravel, and more. The Pro Plus features sharp, durable, replaceable edges. This type of edge enables you to get down and cut through the toughest of material with ease. This attachment also features two independent adjustable cutting edges. These edges enable you to get in and cut on angles, cut swales, as well as close up the attachment for easy transport. The Pro Plus features a universal quick attach, which will fit on all modern skid steers and compact track loaders. Electrical controls are supplied with each unit. The customer has their choice of either a 14-pin Bobcat style, a 7-pin Bobcat style as well, which is the new CAN bus style, and an 8-pin, which covers your old Caterpillar, Terex, ASB models. This is included with each order, and it's to customer specifications. With all of the features and benefits of the Pro Plus grading system, you can see that this is one of the most efficient and versatile grading systems on the market today. Thanks for watching, and now that we've covered the features and benefits of the Skeer Pro Plus grading attachment, let's take it out and see what it can do. So you can see there are so many uses for the Skeer Pro Plus system. We've used it on a gravel lot, we've used it on a horse arena, we're using it on a motocross track. The uses are absolutely endless. If you want a fine grading system and you want to learn more about this, visit SkeerSolutions.com.